You found me way down in the valley dust, pulled me from the shadows, taught my weary heart to trust.
You held me when I felt I'd disappear. Now every step I'm taking, I can feel your presence near.
I was broken,
I was empty,
but your mercy
keeps on calling.
I dance in your glory.